This peak is the highest of all the peaks in the whole world, referred to as the Everest. It is located in Nepal at a height of about 8,849 meters. But wait, from what elevation? Is it the distance from the ground or from something else? What is sea level and why do we use it to measure heights? Sea level is the level from the sea, measured in meters. But why do we use this unit? Why don't we just simply use the level from the ground? Well, here's why. The ground is not even throughout the world, due to rocks, cliffs, and other things. This makes it difficult to measure the height as it will be different here and there. Whereas oceans and seas are different in depths but have the same level as water moves from areas of high concentration to areas of low concentration. The level of the water remains the same throughout the globe. So if you measure the height from the Indian Ocean and if you do the same for the Pacific Ocean, both the heights will be the same all the time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more, subscribe and hit that bell to get notified when a new video arrives. If you enjoyed, like and thank you for watching.